हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज वीरेन। और जैसे कि हम लोग अपने इंटरव्यू सीरीज की बात कर रहे थे, सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट आवर नेक्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस. So in this video we are going to talk about Samsung, that how they will conduct an interview. So let me tell you about this, that Samsung conduct a placement only CSIT and EC branch. As usual, they asked about tell me about yourself. So they start with introduction. You can say that you have to prepare your introduction of 1 to 2 minutes. So either you write on a papers and then memorize, or you can practice in front of a mirror too. So after this, as Samsung shortlist a student on the basis of resume. So make sure whatever resumes you are going to submit, you know each and every point, as they are going to select you on the basis of your resume. They are going to ask about your each and every point mentioned in a resume. What are your projects, and what are your internships, how your internships gone, how much you have worked in your project. They will talk about your achievement, which whatever you have mentioned in your CV, they're going to ask. So if you have mentioned your project in your resume, so they were going to ask about that, what are your future scopes of your project, what you have done in your project, and what you have learned. And they will ask different questions related to your project. So make sure that you whatever a project you mentioned, you know each and every point. So next, they were going to ask if you have achieved something or you have participated in some contest. So they will also ask about this, as you have mentioned in your resume. So if you have mentioned your internship, so they were definitely going to ask about your role, that what role you have performed in your internship, what you learned from your internship, or if you have also mentioned about your trainings and other stuffs, so they will going to ask. So apart from this, uh, like as my friend have mentioned, that he know C++, Java, uh, and Python too. So Samsung only asked related to Java stuffs. They didn't went on a C++ or a Python. So they asked about Java. So if you are giving an interview for a Samsung, so make sure that you know about Java. So there is a one question they have asked, that is what is the difference between Java and Python. So you should know the difference between a Java and Python. Moving forward, they have asked one more question, that is what is the difference between multi-threading and multiprocessing. So if you know answer, well and good, and if you don't know, then go and google it. So you should know what is the difference between a multi-threading. So they have asked my friend to write a program to insert an odd linked list. So you should know about the programs of linked list. Asked about sorting, what are the types of sortings and what are the sortings you know. So make sure that whatever the sorting you know, mention it. And if you don't know, tell him directly that you don't know him. You don't have to get panicked that I don't know this one or I don't know that one. So whatever the you know, just tell him. So they asked about a merge sorting. What is merge sorting, and write a program on that also. There's a one more program they have asked my friend to write, that is all Fibonacci series. So you have heard about a Fibonacci series, that is 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. In Samsung, they also asked about DBMS. So they asked a few questions on DBMS. So I hope if you are giving an interview in a Samsung, you know about a DBMS too. So at last, they asked one puzzle actually in this interview, that if a person is going to his office, he takes stairs when he go upward, and when he go downward, he take a lift. Then why? So this question is quite tricky, or you can say that this one is about your presence of mind, that how you think about that, you have a thinking ability or not. So let me tell you about the answer of this simple question, that if a person go upstairs, he take a stairs. He have to come down, he take a lift, because he have a short height. Because if a person is a short heighted, he can't reach to the maximum number, or you can say highest number, 15 or 16 floors, but he can easily reach to the ground level or zero one. So if someone asked you about this question, so you can say that person is a short-heighted, that's why he take a lift when he come downstairs. So I must say all these puzzles you can find it on a Google. These are the questions asked in a Samsung. Mainly a Samsung conduct interview in 1 hour. If you are asked about a time duration, it's 1 hour. So make sure that you know about DVMS, you know about Java, and you uh, know very well about technical stuffs, as Samsung conduct the questions technically, as Samsung conduct an interview technical, mainly technical, not in HR. At they didn't ask you about tell me any questions at last, and they just the whole. If you look at the uh, if you look at the interview process, Samsung will conduct on the basis of your resume. Whatever you write it in there, they will ask on a question. They will ask point to point. So make sure that you have not written any thing which you don't know. And if you want to know the questions, I have written in a description box. So all these questions I have written in a description box too. So you can count it there. So you can see there also. So मैं वीडियो यहीं end करना चाहूँगा. All the very best. And if you need any help and if you have any query, you can ask me below in the comment box, or you can contact me on my Insta plus my Facebook page. All links are available in the description box. So make sure that if you have any query, you can easily reach to me. So I am going to wrap up this video. So all the very best and keep working.